The International Criminal Court, or ICC. Will the Marcos administration let the ICC arrest former President Rodrigo Duterte? This is one of the key points the Justice Department will discuss with President Bongbong Marcos soon. Here's the report.
The Justice Department will lay out all legal options of President Bongbong Marcos regarding the possible plans of the International Criminal Court, or ICC, in the country. This includes the possibility of issuing an arrest warrant against former President Rodrigo Duterte because of his bloody war on drugs campaign during his term. But one thing is for sure, the government will not coordinate with ICC.
That will be discussed in the briefer as well. The pros and cons of each of those options, and siguro ang masasabi ko lang is there is no clear direction with regards to any of these options, except that right now the stance is that we will not coordinate and cooperate with the ICC.
However, President Marcos earlier stated their administration is currently exploring the possibility of rejoining the ICC. This is also going to be a part of DOJ's talking points with the President.
The policy frameworks may evolve. The briefer will be an objective analysis on the pros and cons of each option. But we would like to emphasize that the stance has not changed.
Politicians and law experts are still debating if the ICC can still arrest Duterte and other personalities involved in war on drugs. Duterte's allies argue that ICC can't do this since we already revoked our membership while the investigation is ongoing in 2018. But Duterte's staunch critic, former Senator Antonio Trillanes, insisted the former president can still be arrested through the Interpol.
Pag dumating kasi yung warrant at padaan po sa Interpol yon, at mag-issue ng red notice yung Interpol sa ating PNP, lalabas po yung pangalan ng mga ma-issuehan ng warrant. At tayo ay meron tayong international agreement with the Interpol, obligado tayong gawin yon, otherwise magiging rogue state.
Trillanes earlier revealed an alleged ouster plot against Marcos. He claimed the people behind the ouster plot are now recruiting active senior police officers to overthrow the president. The Justice Department posed a warning against those who are planning to destabilize the government.
There's enough evidence to file cases against those who have violated our criminal laws, such as sedition, inciting to sedition, even rebellion. Of course, we will have to pursue.
So yung interview ng attorney from ICC said that there are only two methods of arresting former or the people involved. One is with the cooperation of PNP, and the other is kung ayaw ng PNP, walang magagawa. Because we really need the PNP to enforce this. Ngayon, the question lang is if the PNP will enforce this, will the PNP actually do it? Or will Interpol agents be the arresting officers with the coordination of the PNP? Yun ang mga pwede daw tignan depending on the situation.
Oo. Kinlear naman din ng DOJ kasi nga yung
Their
briefer
official
na
stance
sinasabi
today,
nila.
yeah,
Yung official stance nila, ganun pa din, na wala silang duty, di ba, to comply with ICC because we've already separated, di ba, we've already part ways, di ba, parted ways
But
with the ICC
may options,
since 2019.
May briefer daw si PBBM.
Ang
May
tawag
options
nila
daw.
dito is objective analysis of the whatever pros and cons no of the investigation will be, or the warrant of arrest will be.
Kasi titignan what affects the Philippines more, what situations papanik, what international ties will be severed if ever we enforce or not enforce this warrant of arrest.
Kasi time and again, kinlaro naman ni President Bongbong Marcos before, di ba sinasabi niya, we have a functioning judicial system here. So I will not allow ICC to intervene.
Although, we're not members of ICC, pero from 2012 to 2019, liable pa rin daw si Pangulong.
Yun nga yung dyan yung debate dyan.